welcome, welcome. I hope you are doing well. I hope you are having a blessed, amazing week. So in today's video, we are going to be doing some dancing to a song called Corner, okay? So we're gonna, there's gonna be different parts. We're gonna have a part for the chorus, the different verses, and the breakdown. All right, so like I say in every video, please make sure that your bodies are nice and warmed up before you get into this workout, okay? So if you are ready to glorify God with your body, say amen, amen. All right, so let's get into it. So the first thing we're gonna learn is the chorus, okay? So we're gonna be starting with our left foot, going left, right, left, as we're moving left, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, left, right, left. Now, as you're going left, right, left, you're gonna be rolling your arms like that, okay? You're gonna do the same thing, going to the right-hand side. So after your left, right, left, you're gonna be right, left, right, okay? And at the same time, you're rolling your arms. So it looks like this: 5, 6, 7, 8, left, right, left, right, left, right. Now, for the second part, we're going back to the left. All we're doing is bringing our hands down and rolling it. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, okay? So we're repeating that 2 times in a row, all right? 5, 6, from the top, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, low, 1, 2, 3. Do it again, bring it high, good, then bring it low. 1, 2, 3, okay? So that is the first part of the chorus. So the next part, we're gonna be kind of brushing our shoulder or swiping our shoulder, okay? So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna be stepping on your left as your right leg is kind of going out to the side. So it's like a jump. And as you're jumping on your left, you're kicking that right foot out, just like that. And as you're kicking your right foot, you're also swiping with your right hand, your left shoulder. So it's swipe, just like that. Then you're gonna repeat that on the other side. Swipe, okay? Then you're gonna do it one more time. Swipe. So it's 3 swipes, left, right, left. So 5, 6, 7, 8, left, right, and left, okay? Now, after that last left, okay, you're gonna step. So the right leg is out, right, left, okay? So 5, 6, 7, 8, swipe, 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 right, left. Okay, so after that right, left, your legs are apart just like this. You're gonna go push up, like pushing your shoulders up to the sky. So come down, 2, 3, okay? 1, 2, 3, okay? You're doing it 3 times. So it's 1, 2, 3, okay? So let's put those 2 together, from the swipes to the push. 5, 6, 7, 8, swipe, swipe, swipe. 1, 2, push, 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 okay? 3 swipes, 3 pushes. Now after the last push, you're gonna come together. So it's push, push, push together. So you're bringing that left leg to your right, okay? And after you bring that left foot to your right foot, just like this, you're gonna repeat the swipe again. So you're doing it 2 times in a row. Just like with this, you did it 2 times, you're gonna do the swipe sequence 2 times, okay? So from the top, we're gonna put both together. You can do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and swipe. 1, 2, 3. Step, step, up, up, up. Together again. 1, 2, 3. Step, step, up, up, up. Together. So that's the chorus. Now there's a last piece. Real simple. So your feet are together. All you're gonna do for this last piece is take your right foot out and then bring it back together. So out, together. And as your right foot is going out, your right hand is also going out. So out, together. out, together. Okay? So that's that last little bit. So we're gonna do it with the music to the actual song. So let's get into it. Come on, let's give it a try.
Yeah.
5, 6, 5, 6, 7, let's go. 1, 2, 3, good. Bring it down. Bring it high. Bring it down. And twice. 1, 2, 3, step, up, together and swipe, step, up, together, out, together. Okay? So that was the chorus. Okay, now that out together you only do on the last portion. So let's get into verse 1. So it's out together. Now you're gonna take, after your feet are back together, you're gonna take, going into verse 1, you're gonna take your left foot, bring it behind you. So 1, 2, 3. So left, right, left. Left, right, left. And as you're doing that, your hands are moving like this. So 1, 2, 3. Okay? Same thing on the other side. So left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay? So we're doing that. So 2, 3, and 4. We're doing that 4 times. Okay? So let's start from the top of verse 1. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? After that, you're going to take your right foot out like so. And as you're taking your right foot out, you're also kind of raising up that left hand. So it's 1 like that. So you gracefully bring it up. So we're going to do that 3 times. So it's 1, 2, 3. Okay? Only 3 times. So let's put the 2 together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3. So instead, when I'm actually doing it, you're gonna put your left leg is gonna go out first for the 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So it's left, right, left. All right? So let's do that one more time. 5, 6, starting with your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. After that third one, you're gonna clap, clap. Okay? After that clap, clap, you're gonna do the salsa back and forth like this, just like this. Okay, we're just going forward and back. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You're moving your hands like you're doing the salsa. Okay? I believe this is the salsa, so we're just gonna call it the salsa for now. All right? So I believe you're doing that 8 times. So let's go from the top, putting those 3 together. All right? So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and step, 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 clap, clap, and 1, 2, good, 3, and 4. Good. Yep, so we're doing that a total of 8 times. I just broke it down into a 4 count. Now, after you come back together, all you're gonna do is step out with your right. Okay, you're stepping out with your right. As you're stepping, you're bouncing like this. So it's bounce, bring it together, bounce, bring it together. Keep doing this, bounce, bring it together, bounce, bring it together. So we're bringing it out and in 2 times. So 5, 6 on your right side. 1, 2, 1, and 2. Okay? Then we're going to repeat the same thing on the left. 5, 6, do it on your left. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? So we'll do that 2 times on your right and 2 times on your left, and that is the end of verse 2. Okay? Now let's put all of that's the end of verse 1, excuse me. Now let's put all that together. So verse 1, let's do it. 5, 6, starting with your left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Clap, clap, and salsa. Good. This is 2, 3. Good. 4. 1, 2, 3. Switch it up right here. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? Now at the end of that, I usually add a clap, clap, because after the clap, we're going to go right back into the chorus. Just like that. Okay? So let's do it with the music. We're going to do the chorus and verse 1. All right? So let's get into it.
Yeah.
Come on. Y'all got this. Starting with the chorus to the left. Come on. And bring it low. Come on. Bring it high. Bring it low. And swipe, swipe, swipe. Step, step, up, up. Together one more time. Good. Up, together, out, together. Verse 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, step, step. Clap, clap, chanson. Good. 2. Come on. 3, 4. Come on. Out, together, out, together. Other side, out, together, out, together. Clap, clap from the top. Chorus. Come on. Bring it low. Bring it high. Bring it low. And swipe. 1, 2, 3. Step, step, up, up, up. Together.